matek ma obedo tie ene ye angagi ma association obedo kachulo ne no repetition gibedo ka do to the same people every time kachi ano bino kachi lakin gang money no pe no chende owego wan kime go bet again wabedo ki ko around 2015 2016 ne lakin chule giti achula ngagi lakin chul magone bo pien chule ka ono gichwalo through the association kong lawyer law firm kong to mege pasena pa
10%.
10.
When you 5 billion, you go
and every money ma bera kwan kono get 750, kono 750, get on 10%, 10%, 10%. Even the 5 billion, go to 10% no, kago transfer in your account ma wajeni 4.5 billion.
That advocate, I don't know, gena you go better.
But you see peobero balgi, peobero balgi, pien, guti yuki de eroge, go negotiating kilo di Roma Association. Lo di Roma Association ukero chingio ni gebe chulo joni 10% of every payment. An ke koma majami pa wara roen.
What lo di Roma district car were you consulted?
No. Lo di Roma district ko lo di Roma Association executive association because that was during the court process.
Okay.
Yes. So
when you the one who you were restrained from kariwa miyotamni gini watamani oromo tikere command because you are the representative of the people mageti affected.
In another again William ka in pebere a party to the court case. Pero mo changing decision me court. Pian magen ge chero ke lawyer me chung pigi court bu negotiating terms mage chere court. Okay? So you cannot just change verbally anate one comma bid your MP the menopet piano is a court document. Okay. Ka playing around ke court document ge wine is contempt of court. Geromo chwali gitwe bene. So so geno beratime now kelo wadong perario.
Kade giro ko ke pero ko jol mego.
Me achiel ene kit ma association obero ka running kwere ke business. Kita dano magetika koko pechol. Gobero ka dano kwere ke chan kon gi chao chene ke borgi chol mo madi mo bero ka bino pe. Me ario ene kit ma chene magebero ka chwalo. Kare bete chene tetiro no. Kono billion a big, kono million mia dig. Transparency ubero pe borlo tela pa association.
No bero by design category gimo motime mape no gen.
The challenge ene lo telema association gubero kana gene wegi gini. So kare wa luak lu koko ki kome ma members ma kichulo chene gini duan ge moma di ubero pe. O we pol pa joma kichulo gi a record book there was a time ma ana presenting him general Okainda Utafire. Machalo minister of internal affairs. A presenting ati roborne ma wono meta ge chul kilo di Acholi. Pien kene no joma ge kwa cholo gubero joma don ken.
Molo jome bombo case.
Ako bombo case ko mandong en manchol mandong chake 29 maka akwa ne nying lo dirne wi ngarmo no 20 ngarmo pien giti highly place. Question na berone I chako cholo ke ngat mabe no tiyo igamente pingo pe chake lakin gang magi mone pe ge yago jemenani disagreement chake ke Kenya chi o we wano kok ne chole enong ge chol directly
account
pangate money magamento winyo ene ka Kenya dong ge chako ne umiero chol dong o are from Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs o chia directly ya account pa claim ana chela baramero wachini process me kopo chol o chere through Ministry of Justice to account pa ngara chela okelo be luaka line borlo di romo karakara bien we kono bien gimiero poko yellow card kono gimiero timo verification lo diero deno chan mamukene kago bino collapsing when him office.
And challenges ma wabero kanene in the previous association chani do be gig magi karde gi churu chene account padani.
Now that brings me to kamakoni mego belogo eneni ne chake machul do chake through Ministry of Justice in 2021 PNG transferring log machul do in 2021 which are writing ministry we are po gichwalo senior state attorney nogeluone uluka kuona ronyo ene no bero ngat matin charge ubero ka were go chako kono verification kono ngogi mai no
yellow card
kono yellow card gi mano dano mere chan in the process entering ma dong en man ma anati parliament wan kimego ge wachako pushing gini enoni weko ka ineno la neno cha ket ma ladir lobo bero ka tero ne gulu kany ma obieno record ma wano penyo kibot ministry of justice and constitutional affairs nyoroni from that period to date chiane magamento releasing mecholo diang de pa chole lao ke teso in total billion mia chiel ki piera bicha bungwen e kon billion mia chiel ki piera bicha bungwen wel chiane magacholo ki acholi ober marom billion piera ngwen here we are there actually about 43 point something billion meno magacholo ki acholi teso uno madir lawyer about 60 something billion
chake dog ni teso no madir lawyer actually
lao no about 47 billion something like that eno no bede ken ko ma wano kel actually yo kwa chere court
dog actually was the epicenter
ma actually lawyer ki court through consent judgment log ma chulo chake lango yo gini kara chule ka wa chere court kana chulo succeeding boring court after learning from
actually
inge madong lao kes gimero chero katum tesni o achulo lo gini go lange bedong gimero none gengorio so ordinarily by now kao no fairness tie no mero kong tie ngo
lo pa actually
cholo pa chole badong ke parliament ministry me justice don kate ke ngo request pe budget pa region adeke la wachiel so la niano cha wano penyo ni pingo chol de choro wel ma megwadok la piny panyol trick ma wano enene jome lao ki jome teso after learning experience ma megwa butu chwalo well claimants gima duwa dada actually doubling megwa wa well dia magiti apenyo ne lawyer wa megwa chichok tiana rio owego secondly ka eneno well districts mati actually now minister of justice ge wadani wanero every district umiero nong a certain percentage. Now, actually, take districts abor, pian gulu city pege kwane.
Very one pege kare eno diepe. Because that was then honorable.
The kare ma wachako the process no gulu city foot pe no footy gulu district. So in only gulu actually districts aboro, lao districts bongwen actually para chiel barapa kai kwanyo dengo kwanyo the city. Then teso districts kona apart corner we are check on a parario like that. So okay, now breakdown and none they got more and will claimants the doing make will claimants one now.
Avoid honorable what we do we gamble of Kenya. Mego
mente god. Manyo tene wana chole pa waberu ping. Pian ka no waberu ping ma bear da uno wana uno mirwa nong chol madin maloyo. Pian Santa me luenyi enini.
Uberu kany.
Uberu ya choli pa uberu kamo.
Chimbego tinyo mama food tango ni beru pinyi twero bede wek no ki nen ket me chako doge ko lokyo dojo.
Committee ene maki karoni. Committee ni tie ara disease giti iye. One members me parliament wati iye. Religious leaders giti iye. Kono nyo cultural leaders giti iye. Local government iye. So
councillors LC3.
So these categories of people no gi bino bene kilo mogo mano gi chwa ken gang bene. Ti don ki chwa. Ti don ki no ni well chul mone ni mir ki mete ki chule pakawa ya giki
chul mano ki chakone
chul mone en ma
majone nyingi ti bot gamente
majone nyingi ti bot gamente ni
yes
o mir ki chulo pian enu ni ki court case and actually bene ti ki ko food maduong ata bot gamente ikin ko ti yeni dan mogo bene pego peke meti registering
yes pegi choyo
gi ikom list magiti kereni ikin koro ti yeni be dano ki kwalo ki balu jimmy gi ki nego dano kito ching dano ma list me jo mogo maguno rep one matek no mi be bot la dito duom I remember remembering